Problems caused due to hard water in your house. Dear friends, hard water can block your water wipes, it can lower the efficiency of bathroom appliances, and even can make your soaps, shampoos, and detergent work less effectively. And you will require more water to cleanse that sticky watery feel from all over your bathroom. So, we should all be aware of the possible stains and the threats caused by hard water in the bathroom. Here are the issues. Clogged showers. You may notice that usually, after a point of time, your shower stops releasing the amount of water it used to before. You may decide to call the plumber to fix it. But wait, this is actually because of the calcium and magnesium sedimentation in the shower nozzles. Hence, you receive lesser sprinkles. And that is also evident with tiny, white stains lying all over the shower head. Clogged drains. Did you notice that your wash basin drain is not functioning properly? The reason behind this is hard water. The excessive mineral content in hard water leaves its residues behind, resulting in clogged drains and pipes. You will also notice tiny, dried water spots on your wash basin. White spots. There is a famous quote, "Morning shows the day." But imagine starting your morning in a dirty bathroom, with a hard water odor and tiny calcium spots all over your shower curtains, mirrors, tiles, taps, and where not. Surely, such a scenario is not expected, that too on a daily basis. So, what should be done in order to curb these problems? Cleaning becomes difficult. Lime scales are the hard deposits stuck after hard water dries. These minerals are hard to remove, and they can create chemical reactions that reduce the effectiveness of cleaning solutions. Hair becomes dull. Hard water can create buildup in the hair, causing it to frizz, look lifeless, and feel rough. Irritation and a layer on the skin. Having a shower or bath in hard water with soap can leave a layer on your skin, preventing debris and bacteria from being removed. This layer has the potential to irritate the skin. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.